अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, आई होप यू ऑल आर फाइन। आज की वीडियो में हम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इस्लामिक स्टडीज़ एमसीक्यूज़ के पार्ट 3 को डिस्कस करेंगे। अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने इससे पहले वाले पार्ट्स नहीं देखे तो उसका लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। तो चलिए आज की एमसीक्यू स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन है, द ट्रीटी ऑफ हुदैबिया वाज साइंड बिटवीन द मुस्लिम एंड विच ट्राइब? सुलह हुदैबिया का मुआहिदा मुसलमानों और किस कबीले के दरमियान तय पाया गया? ऑप्शन ए बनु हाशिम, ऑप्शन बी बनु कुरैजा, ऑप्शन सी द कुरैश ऑफ मक्का, ऑप्शन डी बनु नादिर। द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी द कुरैश ऑफ मक्का। The Treaty of Hudaybiyah was a significant event in Islamic history, signed in 628 AD between Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him and the Quraysh tribe of Makkah. Question number 2 is, what is the meaning of zakat? Zakat की क्या मायने है? Option A pilgrimage, option B prayer, option C purification or growth, option D fasting. The correct answer is option C purification or growth. Zakat is a form of almsgiving treated as a religious obligation in Islam. The word means purification or that which purifies. Question number 3 is, which of the following is not one of the 5 pillars of Islam? Option A Shahada, option B Jihad, option C Salat, option D Saum. The correct answer is option B Jihad. The 5 pillars of Islam are Shahada, Salat, Zakat, Saum, and Hajj. Jihad is a significant concept but not one of the 5 pillars of Islam. Question number 4 is, the Quran was revealed to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him over a period of approximately option A 10 years, option B 15 years, option C 23 years, option D 30 years. The correct answer is option C 23 years. The revelation of Quran began in 610 AD and continued over a period of approximately 23 years until the Prophet's death in 632 AD. Question number 5 is, the first azan call to prayer in Islam was given by option A Abu Bakr, option B Umar ibn al-Khattab, option C Bilal ibn Rabah, option D Usman ibn Affan. The correct answer is option C Bilal ibn Rabah. Bilal ibn Rabah, a companion of the Prophet, was chosen to be the first Muazzin in Islam. Question number 6 is, who was the first person to accept Islam? Option A Hazrat Ali radiallahu anhu, option B Hazrat Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, option C Hazrat Khatija radiallahu anha, option D Hazrat Usman radiallahu anhu. The correct answer is option C Hazrat Khatija radiallahu anha. Hazrat Khatija, the wife of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him, was the first person to accept Islam. Question number 7 is, the name of the angel who is responsible for delivering divine relation to the prophet is option A Israfil, option B Jibrail, option C Israel, option D Munkar. The correct answer is option B Jibrail. Jibrail is an angel in Islam who is said to have delivered the Quranic revelation to Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him. Question number 8 is, what is the name of the final sermon delivered by Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him on the Mount of Arafat? Option A Sermon of Badr, option B Sermon of Uhud, option C Farewell Sermon, option D Sermon of Khaybar. The correct answer is option C Farewell Sermon. The farewell sermon was delivered by the Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him on the 9th day of Islamic month of Dhul Hajj 10 AH during his only Hajj pilgrimage. Question number 9 is, the pillar of Islam includes Salat 5 times a day. What is the name called to prayer? Option A Iqama, option B Takbir, option C Azan, option D Tasbih. The correct answer is option C Azan. The Azan is the Islamic call to prayer recited by Muazzin from the minaret of the mosque 5 times a day. Last question is, the first caliph of Islam, Abu Bakr radiallahu anhu, was given the title of इस्लाम के पहले खलीफा हज़रत अबू बकर रज़ियल्लाहु अन्हु को क्या खिताब दिया गया? ऑप्शन ए अल फारूक, ऑप्शन बी अस सदीक, ऑप्शन डी ज़ुन्नुरैन, ऑप्शन डी असदुल्ला. The correct answer is option B as Siddiq. As Siddiq, meaning the truthful, was the title given to Abu Bakr for his unwavering faith and his immediate belief in Prophet's account of the Isra and Miraj. तो ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो। आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। इस तरह की मज़ीद MCQs के लिए आप हमारी वेबसाइट mymcqs.net विजिट कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।